Namaste. Welcome to short yoga break time. I'm so happy you're here. Let's go through our full body as we seated, and you're going to be feeling great to get back to your work. So scoop yourself a little bit forward. So you're both sit bones pressing, both feet firmly grounded. Open your legs a little bit wider, like hip distance apart. And now as you hold onto your thighs, close your eyes. I'll do my best to deliver as clear cues as possible, so you can close your eyes and resting your eyes for a moment. Now begin to roll your shoulders few rounds. Pull your shoulders up toward to your ears, squeezing your shoulder blades as you push your chest forward and relaxing your shoulders down. Let's keep going. 3, nice and easy and slow. 2, and 1. Keep your eyes closed and take your head roll gently one direction and to the other direction. And now bring both hands on top of your chest and wait for the exhalation. On your next inhalation, feel your belly rise, ribs extending, and chest rise up with your palms together. Open mouth, sigh it out. That feels good to take deep breath. Let's do it again. This time bring one hand down to your belly, one hand remain on your chest. Inhale, feel your belly rise, ribs expanding and chest rise. Exhale, empty. We'll do it one more time. Inhale, feel your belly rise, ribs expanding and chest rise. This time, out through your mouth, slowly, just like blowing out the candle, long, chest sinking, ribs hugging, belly deeply down. Very nice. Blink your eyes open now, extending arms up over your head, lengthen tall, interlacing your fingers over your head and push your palms up high. Exhale, dropping your arms down by your side. We'll do it once more and adding twist. Push your palms back up, lengthen through your side body. Exhale, gently twist toward to the left side, releasing your both hands down. One hand goes to the outer side of your knee, other hand goes maybe on top of your arm rest or down to your chair, and gently twist, look over to your shoulder. Make sure to breathe. Inhale, come up, interlacing your fingers, push your palms back up. Exhale, just gentle twist, don't over twist. And then releasing your arms down, look over to your shoulder. Very nice. And now come back to the center, both arms back up over your head again. Open your legs a little bit wider now. Still pressing your both feet firmly and gently, carefully lean forward and down. You may dropping your arms heavy down. If you need to scoop yourself back a little bit further and dropping your head and neck fully down in between your legs. Feel your back of your neck lengthen and gently rocking side to side. Yes and no. Belly drawn in and slowly from the lower back. Come up. 3, 2, 1. Open your arms up over your head, lengthen longer. Now open your legs even wider. Exhale, releasing your hands on top of your thighs. Take a deep full breath in, lifting up to your chest. Exhale, using your arm to gently push your inner thigh. Look over to your opposite shoulder. Beautiful. Back to the center, big breath in. Exhale, gently, mindfully twist toward to the other side. Very nice. And now come back to the center. Close your legs together, touch. Excellent. Scoop yourself a little bit more forward now. And now we take seated cats and cows. As you hold onto your thighs or shins, lean forward, push your belly, chest, and gazing up. Hugging the elbows next to your torso. As you exhale, using your palms to push your thighs forward, round your spine one vertebra at a time, chin to the chest. Arms straight, lean back more. Twice more. Inhale, seated cat, seated cow. Exhale, seated cat. Adding one last round. Inhale. Deep breath. Exhale. Very good. Now come back to neutral. Open your legs a little bit again and arms out to T-shape. Big breath in. Exhale, dropping your right hand down to the outer side of your left leg and extending your left hand goes over your head as you lean down. Feel your side body elongating as well as your shoulder pulling down. Big breath in. Listen, from here, you're gonna rounding your spine, hold onto the outer side of your thigh with your left hand and lean back like a cat. So you feel your shoulder blades stretch. Very good, that's it. That's what we're looking for here. Beautiful, and now come back to neutral, arms out to T-shape. Let's move on to the other side. Left hand goes to the outer side of your thigh, extending right hand goes up. Ready to stretch your side body. Exhale, lower down. So one thing also you need to work on is your thigh, your palm keep resisting each other. That will help your pelvics to get stronger. Big breath in. Exhale, gazing down, round your spine, hold on to the opposite thigh and rounding your spine back, chin to the chest. Feel your shoulder blades, feel the back of your neck. Good job, and now come back to the center. Legs together, extending arms back up again over your head. Exhale, rotating your wrists all the way down by your side. Hold on to the chair, or if you need to, hold on to the armrest like this. So the point, shoulders keep pulling away from the ears. As you do this, gently take your head roll one more time. Other direction. Very good. That's it. Extending arms back up over your head. Big sigh, arms down by your side. Thank you so much for joining today's practice. If this class was helpful, let me know so I can come up with more classes for you. Have a great day. Namaste.